NovaFlex Prosthetic Knee, engineering universal mobility. Around the world, more than 40 million amputees face a daily challenge: finding a prosthetic that is high-performance, comfortable, and affordable. Current solutions are often too expensive, too heavy, or poorly adapted to real needs. But a new approach is possible. We designed NovaFlex, a prosthetic knee developed entirely in SolidWorks. For 30 years, SolidWorks has enabled engineers to take on some of the world's most ambitious technological challenges. Today, we are proud to introduce the NovaFlex Prosthetic Knee, an innovative solution addressing the global need for accessible, high-performance, and reliable prosthetic. With its topology-optimized frame, NovaFlex is ultra-strong, yet lightweight. It supports over 550 pounds, while remaining incredibly light. Its bio-inspired articulation offers up to 120 degrees of natural flexion, and thanks to parametric modeling, each knee is customized to the unique needs of every user. Our simulations and design for manufacturability reduce costs without compromising quality. The result: a prosthetic that is reliable, high-performing, and accessible, restoring independence and freedom. NovaFlex restores dignity, independence, and opportunity to amputees everywhere. The NovaFlex Prosthetic Knee simultaneously addresses the technical and socio-economic challenges of today's prosthetic market. Technical: ensure robustness, safety, and smooth articulation, even under significant loads. Personalized: provide precise, user-specific customization for optimal comfort and efficiency. Economic: deliver a reliable, innovative prosthetic solution at a radically more affordable cost. Our ambition is simple yet impactful: to restore full mobility, independence, dignity, and opportunity to amputees worldwide through a prosthetic design that powered by SolidWorks.